Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to set up a basic email campaign using SendPulse. You can use the link in the description to try SendPulse. After signing up, you may need to verify your email address. Use your credentials to log in to your SendPulse account. Navigate to the address book section and create a new mailing list. Add contacts to this list. You can manually add them or import contacts from a file. Go to the campaigns section and click on Create Campaign. Select email as the campaign type. Choose the mailing list you created earlier or select an existing one. Use SendPulse's email editor to design your email. You can choose from pre-designed templates or create your own design from scratch. Add your content, images, links, and any other elements you want to include in your email. You can personalize your email by including the recipient's name or other relevant information using merge tags. Specify the sender name, sender email address, and subject line for your email. You can also set up additional sending options, like scheduling the email to be sent at a specific time. Before sending your email, preview it to make sure everything looks good. You can also send a test email to yourself or other recipients to check how it appears in different email clients. Once you're satisfied with your email, click on the Send button to send it to your mailing list. After sending your email, you can track its performance using SendPulse analytics tools. Monitor metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates to evaluate the effectiveness of your campaign. That's it. You've successfully set up a basic email campaign using SendPulse. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try SendPulse.